Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Hi, Mom.
Hello.
Good morning, Mommy.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Let's go on a family trip.
A trip? Really? Where are we going?
Yay. I want to go to the beach.
I want ice cream.
One thing at a time. First, where can we go?
Maybe the mountains? Or the beach?
I like the beach. I want to swim.
Me too. I want to play in the sand.
I want to build a sandcastle.
Okay, the beach sounds good.
Yes, the beach is fun.
Can we go next weekend?
Let's check the calendar.
Next weekend is free.
Perfect. Let's go Saturday and Sunday.
What do we need to take?
We need clothes, towels, and sunscreen.
Don't forget swimsuits.
And my pink hat.
Yes, we will pack everything.
What about food?
We can take sandwiches and fruit.
I can help make sandwiches.
I want apples and cookies.
I want juice.
Okay, we will make a list.
Let's write it down.
I will write sandwiches, apples, cookies, juice.
And water.
Good job, Emma.
How will we go?
By car. It's not far.
How many hours?
2 hours.
Can we play music in the car?
Yes, let's make a playlist.
I want to sing.
Where will we sleep?
In a hotel near the beach.
I will book the hotel today.
Can we have one big room?
Yes, one big room for all of us.
Will there be a pool?
Yes, the hotel has a pool.
Great, I love swimming.
Me too.
But remember, safety first.
Always stay with us.
What will we do at the beach?
Swim, play, and relax.
Can we play football?
Yes, we can take a ball.
I want to find shells.
Let's take a camera.
Good idea. We can take photos.
I want to take pictures too.
Me too.
Say cheese.
What clothes do we need?
Shirts, shorts, and sandals.
And sunglasses.
And my pink dress.
Don't forget anything.
We also need books and games.
I will take my book.
I want to take my cards.
I want my teddy bear.
Okay, let's pack on Friday.
Yes, after school and work.
I can help Mia.
I can help Dad.
I can help too.
This will be a fun trip.
Yes, I'm excited.
Me too.
I can't wait.
Beach, here we come.
We are here. Look at the sea.
Wow, it is so big.
The water is blue.
I see the sand. I want to play now.
Let's find a good spot.
Here is nice. We can stay under the tree.
Good. It is not too hot here.
I want to take off my shoes.
Me too. The sand is so soft.
Let's put down the towels.
I will open the umbrella.
I will help with the bags.
Where is the ball?
It is in the blue bag.
Mommy, can I wear my swimsuit now?
Yes, Mia. Let's change.
I am ready. Let's go swim.
Wait. Sunscreen first.
Oh no. I do not like sunscreen.
You need it, Leo. The sun is very strong.
I want the pink sunscreen.
Okay. Pink for Mia. Normal for the rest of us.
Now can we go?
Yes. Let's go into the water.
Yay.
I am coming too.
The water is cold.
It is fun. Let's jump.
Splash, splash.
Be careful, Mia. Please stay close to me.
I will sit and watch. Take care, everyone.
I am hungry.
Me too.
I want juice.
Let's go eat.
I have sandwiches and fruit for us.
Yum. I want a cheese sandwich.
I want peanut butter.
I want banana.
Here you go. Sandwiches for everyone.
And juice for all of us.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
This is nice right now.
Yes. I love family time like this.
Me too.
Can we play now?
I want to build a castle.
Okay. Let's build a big sand castle.
I will help too.
Let's make a tower.
I will dig a hole.
I want a flag.
Look, it is beautiful.
Great job, team.
Let's take a photo.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Who wants ice cream?
Me.
Yes, please.
I want strawberry.
Let's go to the ice cream shop.
I will stay here with the bags.
I want chocolate.
I want vanilla.
Strawberry, please.
Thank you for the ice cream.
Mmm, it is cold and sweet.
I love ice cream so much.
Mine is pink.
Let's rest a little now.
Yes, we can read or nap.
I will read my book.
I will play with my cards now.
I want my teddy.
The sun is going down.
Look at the sky. It is orange and pink.
So pretty.
I see birds.
Bye-bye, son.
Time to go to the hotel.
Let's pack our things now.
I will help.
I am tired.
I want to sleep.
We had a great day today.
Yes. Thank you, everyone, for a great day.
I had fun.
Me too.
I love the beach.
We are home.
Yes. What a weekend.
I am tired.
Me too.
I want my bed.
Let's take the bags inside.
I will carry the big one.
I have my backpack.
I will take the ball.
I have my teddy.
Let's put the bags in the living room.
Then we can rest.
I want to take a shower.
Me too. I have sand everywhere.
I want bubbles.
Okay. One by one. Emma first.
I will help Mia with her bath.
Yay, Bubbles.
I feel fresh now.
Me too.
I smell like flowers.
Who wants dinner?
I can make something easy.
What do we have?
We have pasta and soup.
I want pasta.
I want soup.
Okay. Pasta for Leo, soup for Mia.
I will help set the table.
Thank you, Emma. Did you like the trip?
Yes, the beach was beautiful.
I liked the sandcastle.
I liked the ice cream.
What was your favorite part, Emma?
Swimming in the sea.
And you, Leo?
Playing football on the beach.
Mia?
Pink ice cream and my castle.
I liked our family time.
Me too. It was special.
Can we go again next month?
Yes, please.
I want more ice cream.
We will see. Maybe next holiday.
We can plan another trip soon.
Can we look at the photos?
Good idea.
I will get the camera.
Look, that is our big sandcastle.
And that is me jumping in the water.
That is my pink hat.
This one is my favorite. We are all smiling.
Let's print some photos.
Can I make a photo album?
Yes, that is a great idea.
I want to draw pictures too.
I want stickers.
Okay. Tomorrow we can make a scrapbook.
We can write about our trip.
I will write about the sea.
I will write about the games.
I will draw ice cream.
Time for bed, kids.
Okay, good night.
Good night, Mom.
I want a story.
I will read a short story.
Then sleep, okay?
Yes, Mom.
I am sleepy.
Me too.
They are sleeping.
They had a good time.
Yes, I am happy.
Me too. Family time is the best.
Let's rest now.
Good night, Sarah.
Good night, John.
You've taken the first step. A quiet step, but a powerful one. Because every word you learn is a door opening. Every sentence you speak is a bridge to someone new. Every pause, every smile, every hello is a seed of connection. In English Evolution Step 1, you're not memorizing rules. You're learning to live in English, to feel it in your breath, to hear it in your world, to speak it with joy, with courage, with heart. So take your time. Repeat. Whisper. Laugh. Let the words become yours. Let your voice rise, gently, joyfully, one word at a time. Because English isn't just a language, it's your story, ready to be told. Subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 today and begin your journey today with clarity, with confidence, with community. We're here. We're listening, and we can't wait to hear you speak.